Why did the Middle Ages look the way that it did? What did it smell like? What did the food taste like? What did it feel like to be alive 1,000 years ago? History is about looking for clues, finding evidence in the things that people who died hundreds of years ago left behind. My name is Christian, and I am a medieval historian and professor. In this channel, we'll get curious about the past. Lots of books and teachers can tell you who a king or queen was or what war happened when, but I want to know the little things. Like, what was it like to be a child in the Middle Ages? Where did medieval people go to the toilet? Did you get to choose who you would marry? What was it like to grow old? Sources from the past can tell us all sorts of things if we ask the right questions. As each generation of historian asks new questions, our knowledge of the past is constantly changing. We know now more than ever before. In this channel, we'll look at the past in a different way. We'll ask fun questions and search for evidence. If this sounds interesting, then click like and subscribe, and let's go have some fun with history.